Hi, welcome to my razor channel, shaving channel. I'm going to be doing a set of 4 videos to shave test quite a popular 7-day set by Wilkinson. So the first video I'll just show how to get the best out of this razor, and this video is to show the condition of this, this sort of Art Deco nice quilted lid. The sides are all bright. Some slight scuffing on the underside, you can just see the reflections there, and it's polished up quite nicely. I'm just in the middle of restoring this at the moment. There's some pit marks here where moisture has got the better of it. I could polish these out, but the chrome plating on these are not that thick, so if I start using abrasive stuff on there, it'll just take the chrome off, or the nickel plating. So anyway, this is the set. I'll take the handle out for now, and it's not floating around. This little device here pulls out, and this is what holds the strap, the leather strap which comes with it. And this little cage here holds the blades with the days of the week. You should be able to see there, you can see the days there. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. All in very neat, shiny condition. Got the Wilkinson crest, very nice crest there. So for this video, I'm doing 4 videos to shave test the full set, but I'm just doing 2 at a time, Mondays and Tuesday. So the razor handle has an adjustable screw here. If you turn it to the right, it gives you a very aggressive shave. Turn it forward to the left, then you get a gentler shave. So it's fully adjustable. The head pivot's nice and freely, in great condition, almost new, immaculate condition. You screw the handle so the pin stops the head from moving. There, you can see that now. See the pin there? So to insert a blade, first of all I'll show you the strap. The strap goes in through this part. It actually says there, strap this side. You can see that lettering. This is the strap that comes with it. It's in really good condition. I've pasted it with red oxide, so it's good to go. And basically you just feed it through the other side, and your blade goes up and down. Just hang it on a door hanger, a door handle, and the blade just goes up and down. And when the handle reaches the top, on your way down the blade will automatically flip over and travel down. so it's quite easy. To insert a blade, there's a post here, that post, and those two little inlets there, they secure the blade. So that's Tuesday, this is Monday's blade. So you put it at 90 degrees into the, and click, just hold it in, 90 degrees. Hang on, get my glasses. I'm better with my glasses on. Okay, so 90 degrees, then you twist it like that, turn it, and those two will engage, those two pivots will engage. You can see it's locked now, and to unlock it you just twist it again and the whole thing unlocks. It looks rather complicated, but it isn't. So I twist it and watch the blade lock into position there, that's locked. And then to secure the blade, you push this handle which moves the blade up and down, push it forward, and you'll see the blade will sit. You can see the blade moving. So that's locked in position now. So we screw up the head. And that's it. Completely locked. I'll just refresh this lather before I start testing it. So I'm going to do this side with Mondays. Just check that everything's secure. It's quite a heavy blade. It's about 8 to 6 grams, something like that. I'm just going to adjust this blade, just undo the handle and then turn 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it turns 8 times, so I'm going to set it on 2, 3, 4. On number 4, right, somewhere in between. That's better. Yeah, that's better, because before it's on number 7 I think, which is quite aggressive really. So I have it set on number 4. quite a forgiving shaver as well. It can be quite accurate and fast. Okay, that's Monday's done. So to release the blade again, push that handle forward, push this lever here forward, undo the handle first, push the lever forward and rotate the blade, twist it and pull it off the post. Insert the Tuesdays. Click it in position, nice and secure. Push the lever forward and the blade will sit in there. You see it like a jaw coming out. Tighten the handle. Just make sure it's not moving. The weight of this razor really helps to cut through the beard as well. Look at that, I'm leaking. It's hot here today. Really hot weather, thunderstorms and everything today. I got another beautiful razor delivered today from England, another Wilkinson, another 7-day set. It's the Pall Mall model, gold plated with an ivory handle. And again a 7-day set. Oh, immaculate condition. Gold plating is all intact, and the blades are of a wedge design, and they're all in good shape. Okay, so that's that shave test over with. I'll be doing Wednesday, Thursday's blade this week, Thursday probably. Let's let me stubble grow a little bit longer. So at least there's something there to share. Okay, thanks for watching. Catch up with you on Thursday. Bye for now.